Okay, good afternoon. It's a wonderful day here at the farm. While it's a bit windy, we can still do an outdoor cooking. Welcome once more to the farm at San Benito. And I'm so happy that the farm at San Benito was able to house Doc Susan Kitchen Clinic, really advocating using and eating and nourishing our body with what's local and what's endemic in our country. So much in tune with WWF Kawali Kasan. And so to really show you how disaster smart we are, yesterday, we had signal number 3 here at Lipa, Batangas. So, roads are black, but can we find something here in the forest of San Benito? Something that's worth learning for this afternoon. So we decided to forage around and we found some buko that dropped after signal number 3 typhoon and some papaya. So for this afternoon, we will be cooking what we were so able to gather from our surrounding. So as usual, we would first talk about what each groupings of vegetable does for us. So like before we said, sprouts or like mushrooms, like spring onions, strengthens the liver and allows you to dissipate your anger. So a strong liver would have a very pleasant, despite signal number 3, disposition. So walang anger when there's a healthy liver. And leafy vegetable like malunggay from this forest and alugbati that we were so able to gather strengthen your heart and provides for you a strong heart, provides for you patience. So a lot of patience when we have a healthy heart and when we have strong pancreas, spleen, and stomach. We would be getting that from the papayas that fell from the surroundings, bell peppers, and that's it. And of course, coconut. And fruit vegetable provides for us some inner strength. And for the beans, we would just be using the soy to collect and the ginger to strengthen our lungs and colon, and root vegetable to strengthen our kidneys and reproductive system. So for this afternoon, the salad that we will be doing are the dropped papayas from the surrounding. So let me start by getting this serving plate. So straight on the plate, we just pour the grated papaya. So this is one easy salad. We add onions. So we just add. We can be very lavish with this because we're just doing 3 dishes. So this is papaya salad. Then we add, this would be ginger. So we add ginger to this. And we garnish this with red bell peppers. So let's be disaster smart. Climate change. We mitigate climate change by using what's local and what's endemic. So there are some more red bell pepper. And then we add onions. And finally, we add our vinegar. And instead of using salt, let's put soy sauce. So we're putting soy sauce now. And then we add virgin coconut oil. And finally, we garnish this. I just gathered this. Our blue Ternattea to make this papaya salad looks really, really yummy. Yay. See? So, this is our yummy papaya salad. So, for our soup, since there's so much, so for our soup, we will be doing, okay, good. We will be doing tinolang papaya with mushroom. So first, we pour our virgin coconut oil, and then we add ginger to this, onions, rather garlic. Sorry for that. This is garlic. And then garlic, then onions, then ginger, or whichever pleases you. This is not Kasan stone. You can do ginger first, you can do onion first, provided there's onion, there's garlic, and there's ginger, then you're fine. And then let's add our mushrooms. And our papaya. And instead of simply, then let's add salt to this. And bell pepper. Pepper. And let's add a little bell pepper for the color. And instead of just pouring water into this, let's use the cocoa water and bring this stuff to a boil. So while we're waiting for this to boil, let us transfer this. Can we have an outlet for this? So ilipat ko na lang so we can be fast and quick with this. So for a while, hindi nadala yung. So we'll wait for this to boil. Oh, here. And while waiting for this to boil, let me transfer it to an electric cooker so we don't have to wait for it. And we just have to finish. Yeah, but sorry for this, we just had signal number 3, so it was kind of difficult for us to, yeah, but can we? So let's put this on a chair, pwede ba? On a tray, and then, wow, it's boiling now. But I don't think we need to transfer because this is quick cooking, really quick cooking. Look at this. It's boiling now. What I want my camera people to do is give this a quick taste. So you know how delicious or how yummy this tastes. Pwede ba? Can you taste this? And can we ask Miss Inej to taste the stock?
Of course, it's
Sige na,
always the
please.
best.
Miss Inej,
This is
please.
okay. This is sustainable foods, right?
Yes,
What we're
because
doing
we
right
just gathered
now.
this from
Of
post signal
course.
number 3.
Oo, kung gusto natin magtipid,
For
bumagsak,
yes.
mga bumagsak at saka na-uproot na
Oh,
gulay.
yes.
Ayan,
Mismo.
everyone. Okay,
Oh,
so
sige,
I'll try
give it a
this
taste.
one. Oh my God,
Huwag mo
sarap.
i-fake.
Hindi, yung totoo, yung totoo.
Don't
This
fake.
one really
Oh.
captures the Filipino palate. Ibang klase talaga. And you
Talaga?
guys at home, you have to try. This is completely vegan.
Yes.
Completely vegan. At saka, ang mura ng ingredients.
Actually,
Kasi
ang
nasa
free.
paligid lang natin.
So, in the many communities that we have, soon as typhoon passes, di ba, ang dami-daming nalalaglag. There would be a lot of things that would have fallen from the trees. So, one of that would be coconut. Kaya, I decided to make cocoa water as
At saka
our
yung mga
tinola.
gulay
Di ba?
na na-uproot or yung mga prutas na siguro bumabagsak.
So,
Pwede natin gamitin yan.
Ayan.
Napakasarap. It's so
is
tasty.
it good?
I
Talaga?
mean, walang biro, doktora.
Tapos,
Always the best.
we
What
can
is
even...
this? Oh, can you
Blue
close
ternate,
up?
di ba?
Okay.
Usually we have this for tea, but we can make a nice tinola and give this a blue color, di ba?
And what are the health benefits of
This has anti-inflammatory action and antioxidant,
So, ang
di
dami
ba?
hindi nakakaalam yan.
Oo.
At saka, doktora, madali bang itanim itong blue? How do you pronounce it
Yes,
again?
blue ternate.
Blue ternate.
Oo,
At saka,
Di ba?
can you imagine,
Oh.
hindi yan normal sa Filipino cooking, ha?
oo.
This is something that, it's so unique and it's a conversation once they see there's a flower in the dish.
Yes,
Diba?
also.
All it
And
takes is
also it allows you to
creativity.
blossom.
Oh,
Kasi
yun.
flowers will
Flower.
always
Ayan,
bloom,
ha?
di ba? So
Okay.
it allows us to blossom a little.
Oo,
So
napakaganda niya.
while the
Alam mo,
sprout get us
Nakikita ko rin,
started,
doktora, pwede rin itong i-infuse sa juice, no?
Yes,
Sa buko.
oo,
Kaya you
oo.
can call it bluko. And then plus, infuse mo to sa
ito
drink.
na mismo.
Oh, or sa dish, or any
Oh,
dish.
so tinola with bluco.
Tsaka hindi lang dito, di ba? Any
Oo.
kind of dish,
Yes,
you can
of course.
incorporate this. At tsaka it grows
With
well,
our
ba?
salad. You
Oo,
haven't
ayun,
seen
oh,
our
ito,
salad,
ito,
di ba?
salad, with
Oh,
blue
so,
ternate.
so, isipin mo ha. Then
ito
we'll
yung
just, it's about done.
Edible flower.
Oo.
Yan ang tinatawag na edible flower.
So we're about done.
Ang sarap niya, grabe, it's so tasty.
Di ba?
At saka napakamura lang ng dish na to. I mean, if you will compute this was probably 1/4 or 1/3 of
And
the
then,
actual,
finally, we add our
yan,
malunggay.
of course, our superfood.
Our
Our
superfood.
superfood
O, di ba?
ingredient. The hero
Talk
ingredient,
about-
malunggay, which grows wild
Di
everywhere.
ba? Everywhere.
Everywhere.
All over.
Rain or
All
shine,
over
ito
the
yung
country.
matibay eh.
Oo, di ba? Hindi, at saka,
And you see,
The
it's
more
so
you-
colorful, it's so alive.
the more you collect the leaves, the more it grows. Di ba?
And
Habang
what is this, doktora?
Alubati also.
Alubati.
And then we're
Ayan,
done.
na bahay kubo ang ating
Oo.
dish ngayon.
Oo. So we're done.
Oh my God, look at that. It's so colorful. It's
Di ba? And then,
vibrating
what
with life.
if it's served on a buko?
napakaganda yan. Oh.
Di ba? So, sayang wala tayong, kasi ayan na yung ulan.
Ayan ang
Oh,
smoke.
hindi, meron naman.
It's
but-
so amazing. It's full of antioxidants. So, lahat ng anti-aging properties nandito sa dish na to. Right, doktora? And
Mismo.
not only the
So,
nutrients to
no,
boost the immune system.
alam mo,
Aha.
meron tong anti-inflammatory
Kailangan
ingredient.
natin
So,
ngayon.
we have
Oo.
so much
Ano yung
ginger here.
anti-inflammatory?
Ginger. And
And
the
then,
blue flower
The
also. That blue flower. Thea.
Is this
Ginger, onions, and
abundant din
garlic.
ba in the Philippines? Or
Of
madalas
course.
lang
Oh,
rin?
actually,
Alam mo,
ito
maraming
po
hindi
yung,
nakakaalam
this is the
yan.
flower of samsamping. Yung mga kababayan natin from the north. So, those coming from the north would be so used to eating pods of this, and it's called samsamping. So, we would use that on our pinakbet.
Oh, wow! I've never
So,
heard of that. Bakit? Di ba, wait,
Kasi we would always collect the flowers before it becomes a pod.
Oo.
So, we
Eh,
never
tsaka
had
ganda niya tignan
samsamping.
sa dish, di ba? And it's not only for beautification.
Oo,
Can you imagine?
so-
I didn't know na it's so full of antioxidants.
So,
Right?
let's do this.
Okay.
Diba?
O, dapat papauso natin yan.
Oo, papauso natin.
Papauso natin yan.
We pour it
so
back
good.
here.
Yan. At saka maganda to habang malamig, di ba? Yung soup,
Oo.
it
Oh,
warms
di ba?
it warms the soul.
Mm. And you
It's a
can add
good dish to
one.
have when it's cold. And raining, wow, yummy. There you go. So,
Bring it
can you
back
imagine
from the
sustainable
source.
dish in a few minutes? And how many?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. How many minutes, Doctora? To cook
20
this?
lang.
20?
Ato, wala pa. Sandali lang. Less
How
than
about
10
10
minutes.
minutes? Okay, then
Oo,
we'll help you,
actually,
Doctora.
no-brainer eh.
10 minutes.
Oo. And then, we will be doing, alam mo, adobong buko. Sayang kasi yung mga buko nalaglag.
Correct. Ang dami
We
nga
collected a lot
bumagsak,
of
no?
buko.
Okay.
So,
Are you preparing
oh,
another dish?
yes.
Okay, so
And
this is
then,
the
with
next dish.
coconut, with VCO,
Okay,
ganun
that's
lang.
coconut oil.
So, this is virgin coconut oil. We add some more. You know, we're doing adobong buko. We're so used to doing pansit buko. But this time, we'll try.
And that's
So, this is ginger also.
ginger.
And so, like I've said, we can use ginger, onions in the way you want them. So, hindi kailangan na this is not Kasan stone. You can start with
Doctora, we
onions.
only have 1 minute to go. So, sige.
Oh, bilis lang ito.
Okay,
Oo,
mabilis
bilis lang
yan.
ito.
Okay, fast forward.
Ganito lang. Oh, 'di ba?
So, ginger, and then what did you put? Onion?
Yes.
And coconut oil?
And then we'll add, I'm done with that, buko and
Buko
kamote.
and kamote.
Oh, 'di ba? For our adobo.
Yeah. Alright. Vegan adobo.
Yes, this is kamoting
Smells
kahoy.
good.
Yes.
Really
Yan.
smells good.
And then we'll add pepper to this. And our soy. And I have vinegar here. Wait. I remember I did put.
Where is that? Okay.
This is, so I'm trying to save my vinegar kasi Ilocano to eh. How do you call that? Sukang Iloco.
Yan ang masarap. Really
Oh.
tasty. Wow!
Diba? Smells good? Oh.
Ang bango niya.
Ayan.
Bilis, wala pang 5 minutes.
Sabi sa iyo eh. And then, we'll add bell pepper to this. Teka muna.
Look at this.
So beautiful. Oh, come on. Diba? We're finishing things up.
Alive with
Yes, this is very much alive kasi buhay o living food.
Diba? It's all
Talk about living food.
let's
Talk about,
WWF.
yes, you thank WWF while I finish the, oh,
For giving us an opportunity to showcase sustainable foods here at the farm at San Benito with Dr. Susan Balingit, Medical Director of the farm at San Benito. Once again, thank you, and please support WWF on their campaign and mission to
promote
the
climate.
environment
Yes.
through sustainable foods.
Yes.
And
Also,
healthy living.
and mitigates climate change by
Yes.
eating sustainably.
Look at this.
Oh.
Close up with the butan natin. Very colorful. Less than 5 minutes. You have a complete dish that nourishes the body and the
Soul.
Okay,
Diba? Good for the
you.
country, good for your, heals your body, heals your soul, and heals your country and your environment as well. So very much akin to harmonizing and resonating with the frequency of where we are.
Maraming salamat.
So, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Oh, di ba? Nanalo ka dyan